So Dave, as an established F5 partner, what makes the Unity partner program different to those offered by other vendors?
Yeah, no, for us, the Unity program is a living, breathing entity. So we're all seeing these big industry-wide changes, shifts from historic hardware infrastructure, digital transformation, cloud adoption, and cloud embracement by our clients and the journeys that we're going with them. And what we're seeing is that the Unity program is really great for a number of reasons. Firstly, for us, it helps us align all the parts of our business that touch these technologies. So sales, pre-sales, post-sales, technical, all very closely aligned and very easy to interact with, and the Unity partner program supports that. The other aspect of that is that we've also got, I guess, a really open and fluid dialogue, because as we mentioned, we're all into new territory here as far as new adoption models and licensing models and consumption models. And how do we optimize those dialogues with our customers, and how do we wrap them into the program? So one of the great advantages of the program that we're seeing is that there's open ears from F5 and the guys behind the Unity program, but equally we're working in a virtuous circle of feedback there to share and learn from each other about how to fulfill what our customers are really leading us to and what they want to see from us.
Yeah.
The other advantage of the program is that we also have our comprehensive sort of partnership that supports our assist support program. So at Bluefort, we found that the program really does incentivize us to drive our own technical capabilities and really take on a lot of that technical burden. And as we know, as we move into the security space more so with this technology and platform, that skill shortage in security is a really big issue for our clients, and F5 giving us the opportunity to be able to supplement their underlying services gives us a great opportunity that we're really fulfilling on.